Hi, my name is Russ with ProSteam UK, and we're about to clean this corridor carpet in a block of luxury apartments, and this is a demonstration featuring our low moisture carpet cleaning machine, the Sprayborg. So first of all, we're going to give the carpet a thorough vacuum using a commercial grade vacuum cleaner, and then we're going to use our Sprayborg to clean the carpet using an encapsulation product, and we're then going to use these absorbent bonnets to further draw out the dirt and improve the appearance of the carpet. Now, dry times are usually around 30 minutes or less, and so this carpet will be ready to use very, very quickly. Okay, this portion of the carpet has been now cleaned using our Orbot machine, and first thing you probably notice is the difference in colour. Where the carpet has not been walked on at the sides, the main traffic area of the carpet now matches that. This had a kind of a yellowy kind of look to it compared to the edges. So as I walk around this way, this is the main entrance, obviously where people will track soil into the carpet. It takes 11 steps for the soil to transfer from shoes to a carpet before the shoe is free of soil. So this part of the carpet will always take the brunt of the of taking the soil that's been tracked in from outside. Just to give a comparison, if we take a look at the stairs haven't been cleaned, and they still have that kind of yellow tint to them compared to this part of the carpet. And so yeah, there you go. It's almost dry, I'd say, ready to use pretty much immediately. The soils have been absorbed into this pad, sorry, not that pad outside. And then that pad simply just gets laundered to release the dirt. There you have it.